Unlocking the mystery of credit card terminals. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very common phrase in the financial world: credit card terminal. Whether you're shopping online or in your favorite store, understanding this term will certainly enhance your language skills and make your shopping experience smoother. So, let's get started. A credit card terminal is an electronic device used by merchants to process payments made with a credit card. It allows customers to make transactions by swiping, inserting, or tapping their card, depending on the technology the terminal supports. These terminals can be found in retail stores, restaurants, and many other places where payments are made. They play a crucial role in the daily operation of businesses by facilitating secure and efficient transactions. Credit card terminals come with a variety of features that make transactions seamless for both customers and merchants. Here are some of the key features. Security. Terminals are equipped with encryption to protect sensitive data. Connectivity. They can connect via phone lines, internet, or cellular networks to process payments. Compatibility. Modern terminals support various payment methods including EMV chip cards, NFC for contactless payments, and traditional magnetic stripe cards. User-friendly interface. They have screens and keypads to guide the user through the payment process. Credit card terminals are indispensable in today's digital economy. They enhance customer experience by offering quick and versatile payment options, increase sales opportunities for businesses by accepting various forms of payment, improve security with advanced encryption and security standards to protect against fraud. Using a credit card terminal is straightforward. Here's a simple guide. 1. Insert, swipe, or tap. Depending on your card's technology, you will either insert it into the slot, swipe it through the slot, or tap it on the terminal. 2. Follow the prompts. The terminal will guide you through the process, which may include entering a PIN or signing. 3. Complete the transaction. Once approved, the transaction is complete, and a receipt will be printed or sent electronically. And that wraps up our exploration of credit card terminals. We hope this video has shed some light on what credit card terminals are, how they work, and their significance in our daily transactions. Whether you're a shopper or a business owner, understanding this technology is key to navigating the modern financial landscape. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in our next video.